Section 5.2, number 47, part C. We need to find the tangent of alpha plus beta given that alpha and beta are both acute and sine of alpha is 12 over 13 and tangent of beta is 35 over 12. Okay, so let's start by recalling what the formula for the tangent of alpha plus beta is. So that is tangent alpha and tangent beta with the same sign in the numerator, and tangent alpha times tangent beta, 1 with the opposite sign. So there's our formula, and you can see we need tangent of alpha and tangent of beta. Well, we have tangent of beta, but we don't have tangent of alpha, we have sine. So we got to use the triangle to find out what tangent is. We know that these are acute, so our triangle can be oriented any direction. So here we go. If this is alpha, then sine of alpha, that's opposite over hypotenuse, that's 12 over 13. So our third side, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, or if you happen to know your triple, then you'll quickly find that. So that's 12 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. And that, when I solve for b, I get square root of 13 squared minus 12 squared, or 5. So we fill in a 5 there. And then I can find that the tangent of tangent of alpha is opposite over adjacent. So that's 12 over 5. So now I have tangent of alpha, I have tangent of beta, and now I just plug and chug that into my formula. And I get tangent of alpha is 12 over 5 plus tangent of beta is 35 over 12. All over 1 minus the sum of those. I'm sorry, product of those. Okay. So adding that numerator, those two fractions in the numerator, I got to get that common denominator, which is going to be 60. And then 12 times 12 will be 144. And 5 times 35 gives me 175. So I'm using that formula to add fractions. A over b plus c over d equal to AD plus BC over BD. And then in our denominator right here, I'll do that in a different color. This guy, again, I need a common, I don't need a common denominator, I'm sorry. I'm multiplying these fractions first before I subtract from 1. So 5 times 12 is 60. 12 times 35 is 350 plus 70, so that's 420. And we want 1 minus that, so I'm going to express that 1 as 60 over 60, so I have a common denominator. And that gives me 144 plus 175 gives me 319 over 60 divided by, and then the purple part, the denominator here, this guy, 60 minus 420 gives me a negative 360 over 60. And then when I flip the second and multiply, I end up, or my denominators cancel, and I end up with a negative 319 over 360, and that is the final answer. So that is tangent of alpha plus beta given our parameters from the beginning of the problem.